So let's take a look at the Desmos solution now. So since c is a positive constant, I've substituted c for something easy. Like for example, if c is 3, then I can go ahead and put 9s instead of all the c squared. So that's what I did here. These are our solutions, basically where the graphs are intersecting the x-axis. These are the two solutions, x equals this and x equals the positive, and there's a negative solution. Now clearly, if you look here, that is not the right solution. And then if you click here, that is way off, that's not right. Now if you look at the C, solution number C, that one, let's just go closer on our negative solution, and you will indeed see that that's actually not coinciding. Okay, so let's go ahead and click our fourth one. So see, that is exactly coinciding with the negative solution for our graph. So our choice is going to be choice D using Desmos. So what we have here is the given equation C is a positive constant. Okay, which of the following is one of the solutions of the given equation? So it looks like the answers are in with the C term. So what we're going to do is basically write this whole thing as x equals. So step one is I'm going to bring this expression to the other side, or subtract that whole expression from both sides, either way. So what we have then is we have x squared divided by square root of x squared minus c squared minus c squared divided by square root of x squared minus c squared. Okay, that's equals 39. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take LCD, okay, and we already have a least common denominator right here, and so taking the LCD will give us, in the denominator, it's going to give us x squared minus c squared, and the numerator we have x squared minus c squared. Okay, x squared minus c squared, that's equal to 39. Now I want to get rid of the radical in the denominator, so I'm going to square both sides. Okay, square both sides. So when we do that, what we are going to get is we're going to get x squared minus c squared whole squared, which is also x squared minus c squared times x squared minus c squared. So I'm just squared it, divided by, so this radical is going to disappear, x squared minus c squared whole squared, which is right now equals 39 squared. Okay, so let's see if we can simplify this a little bit. So now we have this is equal to x squared minus c squared times x squared minus c squared divided by x squared minus c squared. The radical is gone because we just whole squared it. Okay, now I can go ahead and cancel the x squared minus c squared. All right, okay, because these are all multiplications out here. Now we have x squared minus c squared equals 39 squared, and then what we can write is going to be x squared is bring this negative c squared to the other side, so we have 39 squared plus c squared, and then you take the square root of both sides, take square root, so we get square root of x squared, which is x, equals square root positive minus square root of 39 squared plus c squared. So let's see which one of these choices is in the answers. We have here negative version of that is in the answer choice D. So that's going to be a correct answer. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk to you next week. Have a nice day. Bye.